The question is whether the minor can hold the share of a company or not. So the answer will be no. According to the Act and the Contract Act, the minor cannot hold the share of a company. Let me explain in detail. Well, according to the section 11 of our Indian Contract Act, a person who has attained the age of majority is only competent to enter into a contract. So, majority, that means minor does not include. Minor cannot enter into the contract. Since a minor cannot enter into a contract that applies in our Company Act, a minor cannot hold a share on his own name. A company cannot register a shares on the name of minor. But guardian can do the same. There is no written guidelines about the guardian of a minor, because there is no rules about guardian entering into a contract for a minor. So guardian can hold the shares, but a minor cannot become a member of a company. So the answer to the question is minor cannot hold the shares and minor cannot become a member of any company.